Bitcoin has been pumping hard right now, and I actually caught this move at around the $65,000 range before it took off. Not because I got lucky guessing a bottom, but because my trading strategy flagged the exact moment the price broke out of its range with real strength behind it. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple breakout strategy I used to catch it, and exactly how I automated it using Claude and without me watching a single candle, without knowing how to code, and without paying for some overpriced signal group. And at the end, I'll give you the exact prompt I used to build it, so you can copy it and have the same setup running on your own chart in the next 10 minutes. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, step number 1, sign up for an exchange. For this strategy, we're going to be using Ubit. This is one of my favorite exchanges for futures trading right now, and they've got some serious bonuses for new users, up to $50,000 in bonuses just for signing up and trading using my link down below. If Ubit doesn't work for you, you can use Blofin as an alternative. Blofin doesn't require mandatory KYC verification for basic trading, which means you can start trading immediately. Plus, new users can earn up to 5,000 USDT through deposit and trading volume bonuses. I'll link both down below. Once you're on the Ubit page, you can sign up with your email, your phone number, or connect via Google or Apple ID. For this tutorial, I'll use email. Just enter your details, create a strong password, agree to the terms of service, and click sign up. Enter the email verification code and your account is ready. The whole process takes less than 30 seconds. And keep in mind, Ubit is a non-KYC platform. You do not need to complete identity verification to start trading. That makes it accessible even in restricted regions, and it means you can start trading almost instantly after signing up. Go to your wallet and click deposit. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. USDT is ideal for trading. Then select your deposit network. I recommend TRC20. It's fast and the fees are very low. You'll then see your personal deposit address. Copy it carefully. Go to your current exchange or wallet. Paste the address and send your funds. Always send a small test amount first, maybe $10 to $20, just to confirm everything arrives correctly before sending the full amount. This is very important. Sending on the wrong network can mean losing your funds. If you don't have crypto yet and want to buy directly on Ubit, that's also possible. But for this, you will need to complete KYC first. Go to your profile icon on the home page and click KYC. Click Verify Now. Provide your email, your personal information, your verification documents, and a selfie. Once that's approved, you can use the Quick Buy option on Ubit to purchase crypto directly with fiat currency using a credit or debit card. If you already have crypto on another exchange or wallet, you can skip KYC entirely and just deposit directly, which is the faster option for most people. Click on Futures in the top navigation bar and click on USDT-M. This will bring you to the Ubit Futures trading interface. Now, it might look a little overwhelming at first, but I'll break down every section so it makes perfect sense. In the top left, you have the trading pair selector. This is where you choose which asset to trade. Ubit has over 500 trading pairs, from Bitcoin and Ethereum all the way to meme coins and major altcoins. You can select between USDT margin perpetuals and coin margin perpetuals, which are trade settled in your own crypto instead of USDT. In the center is the price chart powered by TradingView, with all the drawing tools and technical indicators you need for analysis. On the right side is the order book, showing all live buy and sell orders in the market. And at the bottom is your order management panel. This is where you track your open positions, open orders, and trade history. Everything you need is right here on one screen. All right, let's go to TradingView. If you don't have one yet, click the link on the description below so you can get a discount when you get the premium version. Pull up the Bitcoin USDT chart. This time we're using a set of indicators built around one simple idea: catching price the moment it breaks a clean structural level, but only when the trend actually has strength behind it. First indicator, Donchian Channels. Click Indicators, type in Donchian Channels and add it to your chart. Set the length to 20. This plots the highest high and lowest low over the last 20 candles as an upper and lower band, basically drawing out the exact range Bitcoin has been trading in. Next, ADX, the average directional index. Click Indicators again, search for ADX, and add it below your chart. Keep the length at 14. ADX doesn't tell you direction, it tells you strength. A reading above 25 means there's real momentum behind a move. A reading below 20 means the market's choppy and directionless, and that's exactly when breakouts fail. Last piece, volume. Turn it on at the bottom of your chart too, same as always, confirming real participation behind the move instead of a fake out. Here's exactly what you're looking for. First, watch for price to break above the middle Donchian band or below the middle Donchian band. That's your structural breakout level. Second, check ADX at that exact moment. If ADX is above 25, that breakout has real strength behind it. If ADX is below 20, skip it. That breakout is more likely to fail and reverse. Third, confirm the breakout candle closes with volume noticeably higher than the last 5 to 10 candles. So, for a long entry example, let's say price has been consolidating for a while, then Bitcoin finally closes a candle above that middle band. That alone should get your attention, but you don't jump in yet. You immediately check ADX. If ADX is sitting above 25, that tells you there's real directional strength behind this move, not just a random spike. Then you look at the volume bar on that same candle. If it's noticeably bigger than the last several candles, that's the market actually participating in the move, not just a low liquidity wick. All three lining up together, the close above the band, ADX above 25, and that volume spike. That's your long entry right there. And it works the exact same way in reverse for a short entry. Price closes below the middle Donchian band, which tells you the range has broken to the downside. Then you check ADX. If it's above 25, you know sellers actually have control, and this isn't just a minor dip. And finally, you confirm with volume. If that breakdown candle is trading well above average volume, that's real selling pressure behind it, not just noise. Once all three of those line up, the close below the band, ADX above 25, and the volume confirmation, that's your short entry. For your exit, set your take profit at a 1.5 risk-reward ratio based on your stop loss distance, or exit manually once price closes back inside the Donchian channel. That tells you the breakout has failed or lost steam. Stop loss placement just below the Donchian channel for longs, or just above the channels for shorts. That gives the trade enough room without exposing you to the full range. This combination works especially well on the 1 hour and 4 hour time frames for Bitcoin USDT, since the ADX filter does a great job of keeping you out of the sideways chop that usually kills Donchian breakout traders. So now you understand exactly how this Donchian and ADX breakout strategy works manually. But here's where it gets really interesting. Instead of sitting there watching the Donchian channel and flipping over to check ADX every few minutes, I gave this exact strategy to Claude and asked it to write me a full Pine script. So TradingView checks the breakout, confirms the trend strength, and fires the signal automatically. Here's the exact prompt I use. I'm going to show it on screen right now so you can copy it exactly. That's it. That's the full prompt. You paste that into Claude. I'm using Claude code here. And within seconds, it spits out a complete working Pine script in a notepad file. Now, this exact prompt, along with the Pine script used in this video, is available in my private group. You can find the link down below. Open the notepad file, press Ctrl+A to select all of the code, then Ctrl+C to copy it. That's everything you need. Now let's get it into TradingView. Open TradingView, go to your Bitcoin USDT chart, and at the bottom right of the screen, click the Pine Editor tab. Select all the default code, delete it, and paste in this Pine script. Click Add to Chart, and just like that, TradingView plots your Donchian channels, tracks ADX in the background, and marks arrows the second a breakout fires with real strength and volume behind it. Once you've dialed it in, set up your alerts so you never miss a signal. Click the alarm clock icon at the top of TradingView, or right-click one of the signal arrows and select Add Alert. TradingView will notify you straight to your phone the second the breakout fires. So instead of watching charts all day waiting for Bitcoin to break out, the code does the heavy lifting. The moment the conditions line up, boom, you get the alert, you execute, and you're done. Now, if you want to take this even further and have a trade open automatically on your exchange the moment a signal fires, I've got you covered. I put together a private group where I share all of my use cases for Claude Code, from integrating it with Telegram, TradingView, and searching for whales on Hyperliquid. All automatically. Everything I showed you today, it's all inside the group. And I'm constantly adding new stuff, new strategies, new prompts, new integrations. Every time I build something new, it goes straight in there. The price is $79.99 a month. And honestly, when you think about what this actually is, the most cutting edge AI trading setup available to retail traders right now, constantly updated with everything included. Inside, there is also a full agentic trading course, 2.5 hours, beginner to expert, no coding background needed. By the end of it, you will have your own AI trading system running live, something most retail traders do not even know is possible right now. $79.99 a month. One good trade covers it. And the first 100 members lock in that rate permanently. After that, the price goes up. The link is in the description. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. And that's exactly how I automated this Donchian and ADX breakout strategy on Bitcoin. Using Claude, no coding, no $500 Discord bot. Just AI doing the heavy lifting. If you want to actually put this into practice, make sure you're using Ubit or Bluffin. Since this strategy runs way smoother there than on most other exchanges, links are down below, and you can grab up to 50,000 USDT in bonuses on Ubit and up to 5,000 USDT on Bluffin just for signing up and trading. If you want to see a full demo of how I trade using only my Telegram and the full demo of all use case on TradingView, click the video popping on screen right now. If you found this useful, leave a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.